If you've ever wondered how to create those mesmerizing boldly smooth gradients in your drawings, you are in the right video. Today we are diving into the magical world of shading. By the end of this video, you will have the secrets to shading like a pro. But I want to apologize before asking you to like this video because that might take a second of your time. Hey dude, I'm sorry to add, but please like this video because that will help this channel a lot. But why do smooth shadings matter? Before we jump into the techniques, let's talk about why smooth shading is essential. You see, well-executed shadings add depth, realism and dimensions to your artwork. It's like adding seasoning to a dish. It elevates the entire experience. But to achieve that velvetic smoothness, you will need the right tools. Let's meet our shading superhero, the cutting board and the flat brush. These tools are fantastic for blending certain areas. They are like magic wands for seamless transitions. Why choosing your paper? Remember, even the best tools won't shine on rough paper. Look for smooth surface. It's your canvas for shading greatness. Enough of the talking now, let's get to the main deal, the shading. To shade, I use my light pencil to shade the first layer using the circular motion technique. Now here is the secret sauce, small and circular motion. Forget the back and forth frenzy, that's so last season. Circular strokes blend like a dream, no abrupt, just silky transitions. Once I'm done with the first layer, I blend with my brush. Remember, adding a bit of light shading would make the eyes to look more realistic. Okay, I'm done with the eyes now. It was actually supposed to be the first part, but I guess I forgot. Now I'm going to continue with our circular motion on the nose. And after shading my first layer, I blend the smaller areas with my cutting board. And I keep on blending until it looks good to my eyes, to my view. You get what I'm saying? Keep on blending until it looks professional. Shade in circular motion, blend with your brush or with your cutting board depending on the area, and continue the process on the other parts of the face. And with that being done, our first layer is through. Now moving to the second layer, this is where your charcoal powder comes in. I don't have a charcoal powder, so I grind one of my old charcoal pencils in a cover container and use it as my powder. Before applying charcoal powder, study your reference image to identify shadow areas. Map out, plan where the darkest values will be in your drawing and leave the white areas for highlights. Then gradually build up shadow tones gradually. Transition smoothly from shadow to halftone. Continue doing your thing, you are getting it right. I would love to see your artwork on Instagram. You can post and tag hashtag or somewhere art, and I will see you on Instagram. You can watch the time lapse to the end and see how I use the same method on the cheeks, on the mouth, and yeah. Make sure you watch it to the end, and at the end I will tell you some quick tips and tricks that will help you to skip some beginner's mistake. Yes, watch the end, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you haven't. Thanks for watching. Keep watching. While you are watching the time lapse, let me tell you some jokes. So Esther was black and broke, but when Esther saw money, Esther bleached. Alright, I know it's not funny, just I'm a clown. And this is how you get a smooth shading. I really hope this tutorial helps you create your own awesome work. Smooth shading isn't an overnight miracle. It's a dance, step by step, stroke by stroke. So grab your tools, find a cozy spot, and let's shade our way to addiction. Thanks for joining me today. You remember, smooth shading isn't just about technique. It's about passion and patience. So keep shading, keep creating, and soon enough, people will be addicted to your mesmerizing drawings. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and share this video to your fellow enthusiasts. Until next time, happy shading. Disclaimer: no bananas were harmed during the making of this video. Subscribe to our channel for more art tips and tutorials.